Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Here's how I achieve the perfect base. So today I'm going to walk you through how I achieve the perfect base with color correcting and all that good stuff. So the first step of having a perfect base is having a good primer. A good primer will make sure your makeup lasts all day and doesn't crack or slide. So as you can see, I have some redness on my face and I want to get rid of it by neutralizing it with green. So I'm just putting a little bit of green over my red spots. You could use a green concealer, but I'm using a green eye paint because it blends nicely. After that, I'm going to tackle my dark spots, both underneath my eyes and old acne scars. So I'm mixing orange with my concealer and just going around and putting it all over my dark spots. I look a little questionable, but this really does help neutralize all the colors on my face. And then I'm going over it with some powder to make sure I'm ready for foundation. I'm applying it with my fingers first so I can make sure I get perfect coverage on the parts that I color corrected. I'm just going to repeat that process all over my whole face till I cover everything, and then we're on to the next step. Now it's time for concealer. I usually use two different shades of concealer, a darker one and a lighter one. Going in with the darker one first, I just put it over where my dark circles would be and also over that orange concealer that we applied earlier. I also put some on my forehead, on my chin, down my nose, and under my cheekbones to kind of help chisel my face. I always blend my eyes out last, so I use some setting spray to help re-wet the concealer. Now going in with the lighter concealer, I'm just going to focus it on the more inner parts of my eyes and only use a little bit. I do this because I find it really helps brighten the face. Now it's time for powder. I'm just going to go ahead and put the powder everywhere where I put the concealer and just blend it out. Now it's time for contouring and bronzing. So I usually just do my jawline, my cheekbones, and my forehead, and then a little bit on my nose, but nothing too crazy. Here is a little comparison. On one side I have bronze, on the other side I have not, and you can see that it clearly looks more defined on one side. I do the same on the other side, and then I buff everything out. The main goal for this step is to make sure everything is blended smoothly. Now it's time for blush. Using our shade The New Vamp, I'm just going to go ahead and put some on my nose and on my cheeks. I love using our lipsticks as blush because the formula is so smooth, it blends so beautifully, and I'm truly obsessed. Again, going with some setting spray just to re-wet it, and then it's time to blend. Continuing to blend, look how it just melts into the skin, and then once I'm done blending, again, just buff everything out to make sure everything's nice and smooth. Of course, no base is complete without some lip care, so I'm just wiping off any product that might be on my lips, and I'm finishing off with our Lip R&R Exfoliating Lip Balm. And here is the finished look, a perfect base ready for whatever goes on top. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.